Well, good Monday evening, everyone. I'm forecaster Nathan Kitchens here. I apologize for getting this video update out so late this evening. My schedule ended up a lot busier than I expected. I fully intended to get a full video in today with a lot of discussion of the weather pattern this week and looking into the middle and long range forecast. But unfortunately, I'm going to issue this quick video this evening, and tomorrow morning I will post a much more thorough video update. Look for that video probably around 10 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow morning. Again, I apologize for not getting that video update, that full update out today, but I wanted to take a few minutes here to talk about the weather patterns setting up for this evening and for the rest of the week ahead. Looking at the radar mosaics this evening, you can see a rainy evening across the Pacific Northwest. We have thunderstorms across portions of Texas. We have seen some severe thunderstorm warnings issued in some of these storms. You can see the spin here in the radar image over central Texas associated with that low pressure. We have a frontal boundary moving eastward across the central part of the country, putting on the brakes as it pushes into the lower Ohio Valley, as we have Gulf moisture streaming northward and kind of converging along that front and making for a wet and soggy next 24 hours, or next 12 to 24 hours for these areas. Looking at the alerts issued from the National Weather Service this evening, you can see a flood watch issued in a deep green across parts of central, eastern, and southern Kentucky, where we do have the potential to catch on anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain between tonight and tomorrow morning. We also have red flag mornings here across portions of the northern plains where we've had very dry air or very, very low humidity values, mild temperatures combining for the ingredients for some fires to spread this evening. And we've had some stormy weather across the south, flash flood warnings here in eastern Oklahoma, severe thunderstorms possible this evening across central Texas, and also more flood issues across parts of the south, not only for this evening but for the rest of the week ahead. Looking at the severe weather outlooks for this week, severe weather not going to be as big of a concern this week, but it's something we'll still be monitoring closely over the next few days. Tonight we have a slight risk across parts of central Texas right now where we have those storms occurring. You can kind of X out this marginal risk across Ohio because that was for a little bit earlier today. Obviously, now that the sun has gone down, we have lost the daytime heating and really the ingredients for any kind of severe weather activity in those areas. Looking at the setup for this week, a very rainy week setting up across the southern part of the country with several inches of rain just in the next few days. We're seeing this frontal boundary kind of moving off towards the south, stalling out here tonight. Area low pressure moving along the front, providing that heavy rain tonight across portions of Kentucky. And as we head throughout our Tuesday into Wednesday, we're going to see more waves moving along that front, but more scattered showers around, and that trend will continue throughout the week. Looking at the rainfall potential for this week, just through Thursday evening, this is the potential between this evening through Thursday evening. You can see how much rain we're seeing in just a short time. A lot of areas getting on 2 to 3 inches of rain from the lower Ohio Valley and the Tennessee Valley across portions of Kentucky down to Tennessee. And the heaviest rain setting up here along the Gulf Coast, portions of southeast Texas and Louisiana, where as much as 4 inches of rain could fall from now through Thursday evening. And we're actually going to see more rain beyond this time frame, adding up to already those heavy totals. So I'm going to get into much more detail on that tomorrow, kind of looking at the patterns setting up for the rest of this week, where the best chances would be for any severe weather this week, and looking more into the longer range forecast as we head into the middle and late part of the month. Thanks for watching. Watch for that video update out tomorrow morning, and have yourself a great evening.